In what may be termed as a boost to the Congress Party in the state, the 27th of January 2023 witnessed the official joining of the former leader Predecessor Rumnong and over 50 supporters of the Nationalist Congress Party (NCP) from Pynthorumkhrah, along with the former Joint Secretary of the BJP mandal Phillby Lyngdoh, to extend their support to the Congress candidate from the constituency Pynshngain N Syiem during the upcoming Legislative Assembly elections in Meghalaya.
In fact, election is election. There is not much difference. As of now, in Pynthorumkhrah, we have around 7 villages. 4 villages, they are already with Pynthorumkhrah MDC constituency. The other 2, they are with Meghalaya and with Lyngdoh MDC constituency. Then I have no problem to convince the other villages also to support for me, because I am very much a neighbor with those villages which fall under my village, Lumsiap. At the same time, George, I think you understand that I stay in Lumsiap, the center of Pynthorumkhrah constituency. So I don't have any problem to address all the problems faced by other villages within the Pynthorumkhrah constituencies. I had met with the villagers of Shillong. They have no single office for different block within Shillong. I remember when one of the block, Dongadian, come and meet me, request to give some scheme for construction of their office for Dongadian block. As the neighbor, I had helped them. Now, under my consideration, they have the office for Dongadian. Not Dongadian only, Lumsiap, one of the block in Nomansong village, which is not under Pynthorumkhrah, but through the not NDC scheme, department scheme of the district council, under the consideration of the CM, we have already constructed. So I think I have a very close relation with the other villages also which are not under the Pynthorumkhrah. So I have no problem to win this election. At the same time, as Bafredi told, Pynthorumkhrah is a mixed communities constituency where we have different communities, more or less same like Mausunram. So I have no problem to work for my people in Pynthorumkhrah. In Mausunram also, I think you know, we have many other communities, friends from different communities. So I'm happy to be a candidate from the Pynthorumkhrah, where many communities are available. Especially the youth of Meghalaya, I appeal that they should be misguided through money power, because employment is very important. I will not say employment in government sector, public sector, but we should also depend to be self-employed through different schemes to be taken up by the government, the new government before. So youth especially, they should not be guided. And all the people of the state, they should not be misguided through money power. The state of Meghalaya has lost the past glory. In fact, Shillong has been known as the educational hub in Northeast India. It has very popular town in the Northeast India. Now it has come down. Maybe educationally, healthcare, economy, employment, revenue, it is because of money power. So my appeal to my people, to the people of the state, that this time we should vote for competence candidate, not businessman candidate. We need a legislator, a policy maker, a lawmaker, not a high level, not a coal transporter contractor. We need lawmaker. We cannot promote the tourism, we cannot promote the state in the field of education without good lawmaking person, without good lawmakers. So this time, I appeal to the people of the state. We should see that the competence, the potential politicians should come up, irrespective of any party, so that we can build up the state in future.
Ai Phillby Lyngdoh Syiem baru setengah badan Nepal baru nangaram yang Congress Party baru. Jika itu baru perlongnya baruan join Congress Party deh din kajing sakdian kejong Pynthorumkhrah constituency. Kembali sila manong kadai kawai na constituency kau sakdian tam maka sur Shillong bagi kapsar itu. Mentala artisan senarai kembali itu syuting MLA ini lah, we celebrate yang silver jubilee kemana. Anda ke Pynthorumkhrah kumtai lu kesakdian artisan senarai. Mencoba lelangi ekran di Pynthorumkhrah constituency, kadai kawai ni constituency kebak scope dan expand ke dalam. Namar balai artisan senarai mencoba kita kan dalam freely available lama nam. Demi lagi day bentuk very low price. Hendai susi menong, bakamdan kawai tak ibing madan bela kaya kelung kena, kamdan kawai itu kom kihol kebabek berbiang, kaba kikina kila banyo banlet jela kaya kita kihol kibalong indoor stadium kibala menongkom indoor stadium mah kihol, kum kata kamdan kawai itu Pynthorumkhrah konstitusi. Wat akajaka kaba UMLA rusyam muslah bagi community hall. Hapan horba jungi nalu kapor jam parian kabangan ang kitkam syam di por lasdang i community hall. Andi susi menang bahadu mentaru ompala pandan. Dangsa. Tigi babon pan kiwi kikam kibangi la expect. Makin longkam makin nurlong. Hendai kamdan berkawi kikam kebala kebai kumba mele ulak man pula. Kalau ka ike konstitusi bat kata ka perlu ngai du aktif por oleh bagan mi isakman kalau di wat langam sela poi katom handai kemensiam komisihan panora ke dikela Pynthorumkhrah kalau ka ba khau hadu ka ta kam hadu ka ta ison den box pun bangio kumba PNC ba pi kambon pi gi press pi tibas pangini ilal ide nongya ibla ban lead sikma de konstitusi ide smart man ibaila banle bon ki kam ya kaba ila proof kita lang ba por ba ilong MDC kini gi Southern Pynthorumkhrah constituency mohar Pynthorumkhrah constituency ba akapor kaba ilong Syiem kakam kaba ilale ilong ka khao do kata empat yu soma ba por sukun silu di por ma bagi new schemes da ki MDC ki ala klur ma ba gitu kata kata kajing smart kajing tip kajing sempang kajing bat play tip iru akipor dan lagi para MDC akipor jong iba kira resign na tuga post MDC hadin baga kawan tuga ai anda iba iya ines kan namari priu i dan kajing sempang kajing tip bat kajing ada pun nanti kari kejak meneri anda kumbalong ke Pynthorumkhrah konstitusi hoan kalau ke baik clear mix belum apa lagi non travails kita balas. Anda ikhlas artatin, but this time ba PNC inyo ak jingjam namar babon kiwei pati jat ngero ki doni kata keju ke jingthang banora ek jingtula.